Okay, so now this is now our step level now, no, not our ground floor anymore, right? Okay, so now we can just go ahead and maybe draw our steps here. The step before you enter, you go inside the building, right? Okay, should we place it here or we should just completely block this area out and then put the steps here? Okay, let's just put it in the front here. It's make it look more okay, fashionable. Okay, let's just go ahead and do this. Okay, and basically our steps, for us to be able to design our steps or staircase, we need to consider some things, right? Must the riser must not be too high, just with a minimum height of, let's say, 150, 200 is okay. 150 or 200 is okay. And then our thread should be a minimum of between 250 to 300, right? Okay. So now let's just go ahead and use a riser of 150 mm, right? With a height of 150 mm. So now let's move it, the riser of 150, right? Okay. So now let me select this and then copy. So I'll just use the same distance, 2, 3, and then 4. Yeah, I think we're good to go. So we can just make this a thin line. Let us give it too much thickness. It does not even require any thickness. So I think this is kind of okay, indicating our steps going up, right? Okay, yeah, I think it's okay like that. And here we can just put our balustrades. We can just design a simple balustrade something. Okay, let's just go ahead and see if we can design something out of the balustrade. Okay, let's draw a line here and measure, let's say 900. Let's see where it will take us. Okay, I think 900 is okay. Let's drop it here. Okay, let's erase this. It's not needed. Okay, okay, let me return it. I think I'll still be needing it. Okay, now let me select it and do my R. Let me check the distance first. The distance from here to here is 3,830, right? That's my distance, 3,830, right? Okay, let me move this here first. Let's move this here. So let's reduce the thickness also. Let's make it this. Okay, it should not be having any thickness. So now let me now select this and use my array, and let's say, should we use rectangular or part? Let's use part array. Now let's select the parts of which is this, right? By having this, so it has made my array, but now we just need to edit it and change the distance and everything, right? Okay, the total here is 900. The total height, I think, the distance of the height here is 900. Enter. And then here, the distance between each of them, each of the line will be, okay, let me just one level. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, let's see. I'm sorry, we should have used the rectangular array instead of the part array. Part array is when we are dealing with an irregular line or irregular curve, something like that. Okay, let's go ahead and select the line and use our array command. Now it's rectangular array we'll be needing now, rectangular array. So now here we'll be setting our total distance, right? Our total distance, which is 1,830, if you've not forgotten. And then we should go ahead and say, okay, oh, sorry, we are not dealing with this. We are dealing with this, right? Um, the vertical balustrade. So the total distance here now, we're needing the total column distance, which is 1,830, right? Okay. And then here we need how many? Let's say 10. Let's assume 10, right? And then the distance between each of them, let's kind of say 200. So, okay. Are we getting anything from it? Okay, how many rows? Only one. One row is okay. One row. I think we should be having something here now. Yeah, I think we should be having something. Oh no, why is it making it look straight like that? I'm coming, let's see columns. Okay, let's deal with this step thing. Okay, I think this is what we should be using, not this, right? Okay, we are having how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10. Okay, I think 10 is too small for this, right? Let's use 20, right? I think 20 is kind of okay. Okay, okay, let's close it and see. Let's now bring it here. Let's bring this back here. I think 20 is kind of okay, right? I think 20 is okay. Yeah, I think 20 is good. 20 is good. Okay, I think that's nice. Let's kind of now do this now. Also, let's do a rectangular array for this also. And then maybe just the three parts or two parts. Let's see for this, right? Okay, let's say 900. Okay, how many rows? Let's just say two rows. Are we correct? No, I'm coming. I'm trying to see the adjustment you are making, if it's actually working out. It has been kind of long since I used this. Okay, this is 0, we don't need this. Column 4 now. We only need two rows. Two. The distance of 9, the distance between them, let's use 450. Right? I think we should be seeing some changes here. Come on, 450 between the levels. Oh no, this should be 0. I'm not having any other level here. Okay, just only one level. We're having two rows, right? The total row distance is 900. Okay, let's see what we have. Let's see. Oh no, what is this? Let's leave this in 0. 0. Why is he returning it to 4? Column. No, I don't need any column here. Let's say no, I don't need any column here. This should be giving me no, that's 2, 450, right? I think we should be having, should be getting something out of this. Um, okay, you know what? Let's just keep, but at least we've achieved our aim by learning how to use it here, right? This is just kind of disturbing me, right? So let's just go ahead, draw a line here, draw a line across this, right? Without, so that we'll not waste much time. Okay, sorry. So now let's just change this. Okay, and now let's just copy it instead of us disturbing ourselves. Let's just copy it with a distance of 450. At least I've achieved my aim and see how we can use the rectangular array and everything, right? Okay, so I think this kind of, should we say okay? Let's change it. Let's see, this is 900, right? Let's copy, let's say 300, 600, right? Okay, I think this is, no. It's kind of looking weird, right? Let's just leave it as it is like this. I think this is okay. I think we are good to go like this, right? I think we are good to go. This is kind of okay. Now, so what is left for us now is to get our roof design, right? Is to get our roof. And for us to get our roof, let's just move this downwards a little bit. For us to get our roof, then we'll come back here now. Here now, for our roof plan, we probably use 45 degrees, right? Probably use 45 degrees. Let's see, let's check. If not, let's check. Let's check and see. Let's check the angle that is here. Now, do you see 45 degrees here? I don't want to carry the mouse. If I should remove the mouse, it will go with it. So we are having angle in XY plane, we are having 45 degrees, right? Our angle in XY plane, we are having 45 degrees. So now, if you should come and use the same 45 degrees here, right? It will be too high. Your design will be too high, right? It will be too high. So, okay, let's try and see. Let's try and see. Now let's select, at least this is the front view, right? This is our front view. If you are standing in the front here, we'll be seeing this side of our roof. Also this side. This side will be hidden to us, right? We'll be seeing here, this side, and also this side here of our roof. So we'll just go ahead and copy those three parts. The first one here, let's copy. Let's copy it and bring it down here like this. Before that, we need to design something, but I just want to show you how the roof is going to look like. That's that, right? So just come here also, select this and select this. Let's copy also. I'm using the same base point, right? So to look good, we're having this, right? Okay. I just need to bring this down a little bit. Let's bring it down. So this is where this is supposed to be. Okay. And then, oh, are we to include this or not? Okay. Let's see. I think we are not to include this. Let's bring this in. Okay. Let's adjust this also, right? Okay, we should be having something like this. And then this also should be coming here, right? Should be coming here also. So this is basically how our roof is supposed to look like. We're having a small roof here, a larger roof, and this, right? These are what we should be having. But if you should notice, this is just like a rough sketch or something. But if you should notice, this roof here is kind of too high for our building, right? Now, it is now advisable, right? If you are now doing your elevation, it's advisable to use a pitch angle of between 15 to 35, is it 35 or 30 degrees? 15 to 30 degrees for your pitch. That's for the angle for your roof. It's advisable to use between 15 and 30 degrees. So it will not be too high and it will not be too low, right? It will not be too high and it will not be too low.